Welcome to this Excel tutorial. We'll explore 3 methods to convert mmddyy format to date. We'll start with a formula approach using the date function, then utilize the text-to-column feature, and finally, employ VBA code. Let's delve into each method. Let's see the first method, where we'll use a formula based on the date function to convert mmddyy format to date. This approach allows for a quick and straightforward conversion using a single formula. To convert the mmddyy text to normal date format, you can use a formula based on the date function, the mid function and the right function. Just like this. Equals date. Right, B1, 4, left. B1, 2, mid, B1, 3, 2. Type this formula into a blank cell and press Enter key. And then drag the autofill handle down to other cells to apply this formula to convert it. Now, let's explore the second method, which involves using the text-to-column feature to convert mmddyy format to date. This feature provides a convenient way to split the text into separate columns and then reformat it as date. You can also convert mmddyy text to a normal date format with text-to-column feature in Excel. Just do the following steps. Select the range of cells that you want to convert, such as B1, B4. Go to Data tab in the Excel ribbon, and click Text-to-Column command under Data Tools group. And the Convert Text to Columns dialog box will appear. Select Delimited option under Original Data Type section in the Convert Text to Columns dialog box, and click Next button. Click Next button again. Select Date option under the column data format, and then choose MDY from the drop-down list box of date. Then select on destination cell to place data. Click Finish button. You would see that the selected cells have been converted to a normal date format. Moving on to the third method, we'll utilize VBA code to convert mmddyy format to date. This method provides flexibility and automation for handling larger datasets or repetitive tasks. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. In the VBA editor window, go to the Insert menu and select Module. This will insert a new module into the project. Copy and paste the provided VBA code into the module window. Close the VBA editor and return to your Excel worksheet. Press Alt plus F8 to open the Macro dialog box. Select the Convert Date _mmddyy format macro from the list. Click Run to execute the macro. Follow the prompts to select the source cell containing the mmddyy format and then select the destination cell to place the result. Once done, the macro will convert the mmddyy format to date and display a message indicating the completion of the operation. If you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to convert mmddyy format to date in Excel using various methods, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.